Hello and welcome to TechChecker. Today I'm going to be showing you this KKmoon video doorbell with a 9-inch colour LCD display with an intercom and also the ability to unlock electronic doors. So let's have a look. So it looks like it comes in a couple of boxes. Yep. So it's a box inside a box. So the first box looks like it's the screen. Undo that. Okay. Not sure what goes in there. It's still open, but there's nothing in there. So there's like some sort of bracket, and we've got some connectors there. And then on the front, we've got a voice, a call, an unlock button, and another button which must be used for something else. And in this box, it says 9-inch. I don't think that's 9 inches across. It might be. But, yeah, 22.5 centimeters diagonal. So we've got a user manual. And then we've got what looks like that could be the doorbell itself. So we've got the doorbell. A little cover on it. Some sort of bracket. Some fixing plugs for the wall. A wire. Another wire. Longer wire. Another bracket. Another wire. Thank God, a DC adapter. AC/DC adapter. I was worried there for a moment. And another bracket. So let's lay this all out. So we've got some wires, screws, a couple of brackets. That looks like must be the back of the bracket for that. Another bracket, that could be for the back of that. And then an AC DC plug, so I'll do that. Okay. Just a quick look through. Ultra thin, luxurious style, it's quite thin. Don't know what that's for, must be something extra, maybe for wireless one. Ultra thin, blah blah blah. No radiation, so I'm okay with that. So we've got a lens, we've got the microphone, infrared lights, the call button. On the back we've got a fixing hole, connected to the E-lock, connected to the monitor, and then tamper-proof screw goes in there. And on the screen we've got talk, unlock, monitor, so it means you can just look, intercom, and then ringtone selection, menus, and all that sort of stuff is in there. And there's your speaker. So installation. So on the back of here, looks like this one goes to the back of here like so. And this one will go from, they must give you these so that you can, if you want to run them through a wall or something, maybe that's why, and you can attach them together. For the sake of the video, I'll just connect these up before I stick them on the front of my house. I want to test it's all working before I connect it, so I thought I might as well do a video on it. Stick that in there. This one then will go into here. We go in one way. And that's basically it. You can go up to 100 meters, it's saying here, with this length. So what I'm hoping I can do is have, because I've got some cable, is stick this on my front room and my front door and have the monitor in my office out the back, which is probably good 15 meters, but then I've got to go around the side of the house. So it'll be interesting if that works. I'm going to give that a go. And obviously you'll see the results there. It's going to be a long bit of cable, but luckily enough I've got some. So let's plug this in anyway and check that it all works, because I want to make sure it works before I even think about sticking it all in. Well, that's good. So that's all working. So I can go, hello? And that's... Let me get the things around the right way. So that's all plugged in, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you can also connect it to an unlocking deadbolt system, door lock. So if you have a magnetic door lock, you can connect it to that. So that's quite handy. This actually comes apart. The back comes off and that screws it on. So that's the view. 1, 2. Right, I know what I need to do. I need to go back to that. Try and do this without even looking at the instructions here. So you've got your brightness, colour, different ringtones. That'll do. I'm happy with that one for the minute. I can change it if I wanted to. Right, so let's have a quick look at the other pages. So it tells you about all the different things on here, what this is for, and also on the back of here you can wire up it to unlock, e-lock, door exits. So you can have an e-lock on this one, electronic lock, so you can wire up to an electronic lock. So let's have a look at the beginning again. Talk. Hello? 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 Well, it does work. It's obviously going to give me some feedback. So yeah, that's really cool. And I like that you can just press that button and obviously see who's out there straight away. So I'm going to connect this up to the front of my house, but this gives you a good idea of what it's all about, and I'm really glad that it comes with these. So basically what it means is I can use my Cat 6 cable, which I've got a big reel of. I can connect this up. I can then run this around the side of my house, all the way to my front door. And I can have this in my office, and then when someone rings the doorbell, I can look at the screen right in front of me here and see who's at the front door, and then I can even speak to them and say, I'll be there in 2 seconds. Job's a good one. So yeah, hopefully this video has been of some help to you. It's a good quality, and it's good, nice size screen. You can see plenty of it, and as you can see, the picture quality is very good. Obviously this is indoors at the moment, but this is £74.99, and it does have the access to remote unlock, and it's got the built-in infrared, so it will see in day and night time as well. Any questions, feel free to ask. It's pretty straightforward though. I'm going to get this fed, and hopefully this has been helpful to you.